Good morning, everyone. So it's currently 6:24 and I'm heading out to Ryan's car and we're gonna head out. So we made it back out to Makua. So these waves are huge. Can you hear that? They're so big. Oh my, here we go. So we're gonna head out this way because they said they spotted the dolphins, but we'll see. Time to go in.
So we are out here in the Makua Bay, a beautiful point, part of the west side of the island. Scratch it, we're not there. This is a secret spot. So don't tell anybody, okay?
Okay, let's go.
How's your day?
Didn't get hit by a wave this time.
Didn't get slammed?
Not yet. Not today.
No quick slap movements? Okay, good.
Not like last time.
That was way too funny. What did you see today? What was the most epic thing?
The turtle. No. The fish.
The fish? Oh, the dolphin?
All the fish under this rock over here. Gotta do the 360. How was your day, Ryan?
Oh, it's so epic. We got to see everything today though. We got to see the Honu running up against the reef, looking at the algae there. Saw the fish, we made some bubble ring action. No dolphins though, but no, still good.